Good morning. Day 2 soybean harvest for 2019. With the limited number of acres that we have, I'm sure we'll get everything knocked out today. Man, it was windy last night. It was whipping like 40 miles an hour, so hopefully it didn't blow down any of the corn. So we're gonna go check some things out. First, I gotta go by Tractor Supply, get some hydraulic oil and some motor oil, and we're gonna try something on the clean grain elevator for the 1660. We're gonna put some chicken wire over it and try and strap that down, see if that can allow some of that dust to get out before it goes into the grain tank. So we're gonna try it out. If not, I have another bottom grain tank, another bottom door for the clean grain elevator. So tailings elevator is fine. I fixed the bearing on that the other day and it's operating how it should. So stick with me here and we're gonna get rolling here pretty quick. $1985 Kenworth cab over truck and a 95 26 foot Jetco trailer. So I'm just warming this truck up, and starts pretty easy, does pretty good. It's not great, but better than definitely what I had last year, which I didn't have anything last year. So now I can save a little bit on the bottom line. It does have a rollover tarp, and since it's only 26 feet, it's going to be easier for me, who I've never driven a semi before. It's going to be easier for me to handle something like this. This thing turns on a freaking dime. So a few little things wrong, got some leaky air lines, but nothing that can't be fixed for pretty inexpensive. So all the way around here, it's a pretty decent little truck and trailer, and does have a little bit of blow by on the oil, so you got to add a little oil every once in a while. But you know, with a little bit of money putting into it, I think it'll be a really nice truck. Now it was chilly enough I had to get my beanie on, but since I didn't know, or since I don't know what's been holding that trailer, we're gonna blow it out and then we're gonna pressure wash it, make sure we have all the residue, any of the old residue from old grains out of there, and that way we can keep within our organic certification and have everything done right. All right, so we did find the air leak that was leaking out of there. It's right there, and then there's another one right up there. Now what that does, I don't know, but it's on the driver's side. So I'm gonna have to take it into a service shop to figure out what that is, because that's causing this compressor, I think this is the compressor, to blow off about every 15-20 seconds because it's overpressuring. So we just got to get that airline fixed and that other little leak fixed, and then should be good to go. But got Nick back there, he's getting ready to pressure wash this thing out, and he's going to go and pressure wash the back of this bottom side of this motor too, so get all that old dirt and raccoon crap off of there. So, and then I'm getting ready to go start cutting soybeans. Told you I'm gonna make you famous.
He won't let me out. Help! He told me to put the lotion on.
Put the lotion on its skin or it gets the hose again. And this is why we got to clean this thing out. Look at all that corn coming out. And that's not good when we're selling organic corn and soybeans. aren't very good, but it is feeding in a lot better today. That grass with this wind and the sun has really dried that grass out, and it's feeding it up and it's chopping it up a lot better. I still got quite a bit up here to do, about half done, I think. That would not have been good. That's a freaking boulder. Yeah, that wouldn't have been good. Beans here in this part of the field are a little bit better. They don't last very long though, unfortunately. Alright, we've got our last 3 or 4 acres here of soybeans that we're cutting, and then the soybean harvest will be done. Sorry, trying to make a turn here. So last 3 or 4 acres of soybeans, and then soybean harvest for 2019 will be in the books. Alright, here we go. This is the last of the soybeans for 2019. They're all wrapped up. Nick is still here, and he took his son Keon home, but this is it. Yay! Now we just got about 130 acres of corn to do. Go dump. Yeah, we're gonna go over here and dump, and then we'll be shutting her down. So I will post this video probably tomorrow sometime. So please like and please subscribe, and comment if you guys have any comments. I'll respond to them. So, all right, guys, thanks. Bye. Oh yeah, happy Turkey Day to all you turkeys out there. Happy Thanksgiving on this beautiful, beautiful day. All the beans got done. Now it's raining, so we're gonna be getting on corn here next week. Hope you're all having a good one. Be safe, and if you're driving anywhere, be careful.